Good afternoon, everybody. Trevor Knesal here with Next Home Treasure Valley. Hope you're doing well. I am out in Kuna this afternoon hosting an open house in the Crimson Point subdivision. Very nice community. It's got its own elementary school, a community pool, and a rec center, all kinds of cool things out here. This is a very nice and spacious home. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. It's got a bonus room upstairs as well, and an office downstairs, again, in addition to all those bedrooms. I'll give you a quick peek at the kitchen here. Again, very spacious granite countertops, lots of bar space there. Stainless steel appliances. It's got an island out there in the middle. Double oven back there. Very nice place. And believe it or not, even in a market as hot as ours, you can actually get a very good value if you're able to swing a purchase on a home this time of year. Just to give you an example, over the summer, comparable homes in Kuna were selling for a little over $150 a square foot. Now, this home at that price per square foot would be almost $600,000, but it is priced at less than $115 a square foot, so it's priced right now at $439,900. I know with snow and ice on the ground, nobody wants to move their appliances and do all that kind of thing. But like I said, if you can pull it off, this is actually a really good time of year to do that and to get an exceptional value. I will be here until 4:30 this evening. Feel free to stop by and have a look around if you'd like, or give me a call or send me a text anytime, and I will help you out any way that I can. Thanks.